Hey, my little artist, welcome back. As you can see, today is a special day because we are channeling our inner Princess Leia. So, I've got my little buns on that she's known for on her hair. And since this week is May the 4th, for May the 4th, we be with you, we are celebrating Star Wars. So, today we are going to learn to draw a really simple Princess Leia. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. All you need today is just a piece of paper, okay? You need a marker or a pencil, okay? And a crayon. And then you're going to need brown, gray crayon, and black crayon. Now you could use markers as well or colored pencils. Any of those will work, okay? Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started. Right here, we are going to make an oval for her iconic hair buns right there, okay? Iconic means she's known for that. And then right here, we're going to draw from the middle of this oval, clear around to the bottom right here, okay? And that is her head. And then right on this side, we're going to make kind of part of an oval. Even if you kind of take your finger and draw straight across, you'll see that it'll be even as you can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? That reminds me, it looks kind of like a little jelly bean. So her other little bun is kind of peeking out there. And then right here, from the middle of this bun to right in the middle of, a little bit over of the middle of her head, you're going to make a little arch. Just like that. That's going to be the part in her hair that she has. And then right here, you're going to do the same thing, starting in the middle and going down to the middle there. Okay? All right, now we're going to do our eyes. Okay? We're going to make two big eyes. We're going to give her big eyes. Two circles on either side. And then I always like making two white circles in the middle, one on top and one on bottom, a little bit smaller. And that is the reflection of the eyes. Then I'm going to color those in black. And then the nose, I'm going to make just a little curved nose right there, okay? And then her smile, I'm just going to make her smile go up like this, just like that. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to make, at the bottom of her head, I'm going to make a line go down and curve out just like that. This is going to be her dress, and then it's going to start narrow at the top on the other side and kind of go out like this. And at the bottom, I'm going to make a curved line up, and we're going to do two little boots. Great thing about Princess Leia is she has a white dress and we have white paper. So if you use white paper, you don't have to color as much. Then on this side, I'm going to come up towards the top. Let's start up towards the top where her head meets her body. And I'm going to go straight down. Then I'm going to go straight up like a check mark. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same here. I'm going down, and when I get about even with that little check mark, I'm going to go up a little bit. And her sleeve kind of comes down. Her sleeve is long and flowy. And then right here, we're going to do a simple hand. It's just going to be a C, okay? A backward C. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to make, oh, Mrs. Cronky forgot something. Before we do this, we need to make her belt so we know where her belt is. In the middle, you're going to make a curved line. We must have the belt. The belt is almost as iconic as the buns. Then in the middle, a little bit more towards this side, because this side, she's kind of turned a little bit. I'm going to make a V, okay? The V is a little bit longer on this side than it is on that side. Then in the middle, I'm going to make a circle. Then I'm going to do 2 curved lines on this side and 1 curved line on this side. And now I'm going to start here and start going. See, we just make it a happy accident. No big deal. Okay? So that's the other arm. Right here, we're going to put her hand on her little hip. There you go. So that's her hand. Now, we want to show the other side of her arm here. So we're just going to make a small little C just like that. And that's her hand. Look, she looks all sassy. Okay? All right. So, right here now, I'm going to do a little circle in the middle. And I'm going to do a little circle on the outside. Those are going to be her buns. And then she has braids in her buns are braided. So I'm just kind of going around with little C's or little arches, little curves, I guess I should say, going clear around the bun. Then on this side, I'm going to do a small line here, and I'm just curving little lines. And I don't know if you noticed, but when I curve my lines, I didn't match them up. So it looked like it's a braid actually wrapped around. And I might even add some little lines to represent the hair. Now, this will not take us that long to do. She has white boots and a white dress. The middle here is gray. So I'm going to get my gray crayon or my gray colored pencil. I do have some colored pencils as well. Okay, actually I think I'll use those. And then I'm going to color this. And actually I might use both so I could really give different values of color here by using both my crayon and my colored pencil. Okay, now we need, I said brown, black, and gray, and we also need peach. We need peach for her skin because her skin is like a peach color. So I'm going to color her skin peach, coloring it peach, and then her hair is brown. We need her hands peach too. And then her hair, I would go in with a black or a brown crayon, and I'm just kind of highlighting, putting more pressure on these curved lines to kind of show highlights both ways. Okay, and then I'm going to color inside using less pressure so it's lighter. Okay. Look at her. She looks so cute. Princess Leia. All right. So here is my Princess Leia. What do you think? Here you go. Do you see a resemblance? All right. So I would love to see your drawings of Princess Leia. So draw your Princess Leia and post pictures of it. I'd love to see them. And remember, if you make a mistake, make it a happy accident. All right? Happy creating, guys, and may the 4th be with you.